Fabulous four-fingered freak. And as promised, I am back for the second video of this awesome Mountain Dew taste test. That's right. Today, as you can see, we're going to try the Mountain Dew Ginger Snapped Limited Edition. And as you can see, guys, I am still in my car. You know why? Because it's still super cold here. It's crazy. Check it out. See that? Ah, that's cold, man. Woo! And just like last time, I'm gonna give it a rating out of a possible 4 fingers. That's right. Forget those 5 stars. That's crap. It's 4 fingers. That's the max, man, because that's the best. Just like me. And my review is going to be based on, obviously, the color, the smell, the taste, and the burp factor, baby. That's right. So, today, I'm going to test this Mountain Dew Gingerbread Snapped on my little Oktoberfest Das Boot, baby. That's right. So, without further ado, here we go, baby. Oh, yeah. Now, I fully expect this to be brown in color and appearance, because, you know, gingerbread, right? Then again, if you remember last week when I taste tested the Mountain Dew 2021 mystery flavor, which turned out to be cotton blueberry, it wasn't blue at all. It was a white color, not even clear, but white. So, who knows? I expect this to be light brown. We shall see, baby. All right. Well, what do you know? It's not brown at all. It's white, just like the mystery flavor from last week. All right. So, very surprising, but, hey, I guess, just like last week, I'll give that a 3 out of 4 fingers because, nobody expects that. Now, the smell. Wow. You know what, guys? Fantastic. I love Mountain Dew. I love these, very original, crazy-ass flavors. And this, my friends, this really does smell like gingerbread. Definitely so. Just like last week, it did smell like blueberry cotton candy. So I'll give this, the smell, 4 fingers out of 4, baby. Perfect score. Perfect. Just like me. Mountain Dew, you rock. All right, guys. So now, the taste. Here we go. Wow. All right. Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. Yep. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Delicious. That's great. Very, very good. And it does taste like I'm eating the gingerbread man. Eating the gingerbread man. Seriously, guys. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. You can taste the ginger. Very, very good. I'm very impressed with this. Mountain Dew, you're the best. Now, I'll give the taste 4 out of 4, baby. That's right. Woo. That's it. All right. Gingerbread snapped by Mountain Dew. Now for the most important thing of all, the burp factor, baby. All right, here we go. Delicious. Delicious. Wow. I'm going to have to go get me some more of this, man. It's awesome. Yeah. That's it, baby. Whoa. All right. Now, Mountain Dew gingerbread snapped. Burp factor 4 out of 4, baby. That's even better than last week's mystery flavor. Guys, seriously, if you can find this, it's very, very rare, hard to get, limited edition. Go buy it. It's awesome. That being said, congratulations to Mountain Dew for another success. And, guys, please, if you want to win this Pepsi Blue Beach hat, you know what to do. All right? You got to like my video. You got to watch all my videos. You got to subscribe. You got to tell all of your friends about me, the freak, because I'm awesome. And as soon as this channel reaches 100 subscribers, I will send this hat with a personally autographed picture of me to one of you guys for free, right? So please do that for me. I appreciate it. And if you have any comments, questions, hey, just write to me and I will answer back. That is not a problem. Next week, I'm trying the Pepsi from Thailand, which is tea and peaches. That's going to be weird, but that's going to be good. So guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see ya, baby. Yeah.